Hey everybody, Mark Schulz here. Hey, I have a question for you. Are you a company that has a great solution, a great software or digital solution, and you're struggling with getting that message out into the industry? Well, it's really important that your company come out of obscurity and people know who you are. Because if nobody knows who you are, then how can they, experience the greatness of the solutions that you have? In this day and age where we have an opportunity to leverage digital technology, it's not a one-on-one contacting people anymore and reaching out to people over the phone. Yeah, that's part of it. But we have the opportunity to reach people in mass today and to get our message out. Hey, listen, if you want to work with me and if you want to have a discussion about how we can work together to be able to get your message out and bring you out of obscurity into the industry so your solution can be out there and people can use it and they can be successful using your solution, get in touch with me on LinkedIn. It's linkedin.com/company DigitalAircraft. DigitalAircraft. Get in touch with me, let's have a conversation, and let's do digital transformation in this industry together. We want to move it forward faster than what it has been in the past. We can work together on this. Hey, fair winds and following seas to you. Have a great day. Bye.